advise you don't block or do anything stupid of that nature. If you do such, you will be removed and put on the blacklist. No 3 wide on pit road, no
B6,
driving through a bunch of pit stalls, blocking folks from pitting. We do a lot of pit stop racing in here. That'll definitely get you removed and put on the blacklist. Just race each other clean and with respect. Again, plenty of admins in here. And any active members of the armed forces or armed forces veterans in here with us, we appreciate you racing with us. Let's have a good race, everybody. There's one winner, but if we have a good race, everybody wins. And December 9th, the Crow's Nest Happy Holiday 500, I'll be hosting. It'll be passport only. Closer to the 9th, I'll do some more lengthier races and see if we can find some guys that were comfortable running around for a long period of time, and I'll be handing out the password. Again, appreciate everybody coming here and racing.
Thanks, Jimmy. You said you want lap traffic up high, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks for hosting, Jim.
Yes, sir. Appreciate everybody coming here and racing. You're welcome, Nelson. Good. Appreciate everybody. Let's have a good race.
We don't do that in here, buddy.
No scuffing. Since I forgot to mention it, that's the warning.
Not bad.
I forgot to mention, you got lucky.
Doesn't even do anything.
You hit the gas hard enough at first, it does.
Green, let's go, let's go.
Hey, big check.
Car outside. He's still there. Hold your line. Hold that line. Hold your line. High side is clear. P5. The leader has just done a 30.3. The guy behind has just done a 30.5. The guy in front has just done a 30.4. The guy behind has just done a 30.2. P5. Okay, James, we're matching race pace. New fastest lap for Alan, 30.2. You've just done a 30.2.
You're clear, sir.
Car high. Hold your line. We are clear up high. Car outside. Your high side's clear. Car high. Clear outside. That lap was at 30.4. 3 wide, you're in the middle. Clear right and left. Car high. Outside is clear. If your window closes on lap 12.
Well, speed in here, I'm saying you're
High
rocking?
side. Clear outside.
Yeah.
Car inside.
In here.
Clear low.
Made it through that day. I got beat up a little bit.
Well, I mean, that was my fault, I guess. I mean, I was pushing him just fine, and all of a sudden he was just sideways. I don't know. I wasn't really racing you that crazy. I don't know what happened there, bud, but I guess it's my fault.
Well, you were pushing me in the corner pretty hard.
'57 needs to be taken a look at.